Guys, we're back. Ebisubashi Suji. So, it's already 1:10. Dito na tayo. The tours. Dami tayo, guys. Sanrio meron din dito. Gift Gate. Bibian Collection. Marasu. Sarap guys, so Strawberry Mania. Strawberry smoothie. Let's go guys, Ebisubashi Suji. Ayun na yung big camera guys. Ito yung Ebisubashi Suji. Stop na guys. Ayun yung big camera. Yan naman yung big echo. Yun yung video okayhan. Ayun, may nakita na akong Tesla guys. Parang Model X ata yun, Model Y. Guys, may nakita na akong Tesla. Let's go guys. Let's continue. Ito na mga sasakyan dito guys. The brands are giving that they're rich.
Space Shower TV は全国のケーブルテレビおよびスカパー他でご覧いただける音楽専門チャンネルです。
Ata girl. Ayan mga traditional na clothes guys. Cute. Meron din pambata. ABC Market guys. The Boodle Fans. Ayan. 2,990 na lang guys. So yung boots. Sa kabila guys, yung nasa loob ng mga tao. $551 Horay, diba? Guys, alam nyo na. Hindi lang yun ang $551 Horay dito. Kundi meron pa. Sa mga sides, no? Pwede ka din pumasok eh. Duna Earth. Kasi yung fluffy na cake, cheesecakes. Fluffy cheesecakes. Kunti lang pila guys, oh. O, diba? Dito din, dami din guys. Mga pasalubong. Namba Ramen Ichizan. Starbucks. Ayan. Ed on Namba. I think malapit na tayo sa dulo guys. Kasi dito tayo nang galing. Nung lumabas tayo galing sa Nangkai Rail. Yung galing tayong airport. 0101 OI. Meron din silang Uniqlo NG. Toho Cinemas. Brand Wendy's. Parang sarap din ng Wendy's dito guys. Pero yung McDo kasi meron silang mga yan, nandito na tayo sa labas. This is the end of Ebisobashi Suji. See? Ayan siya, Ebisobashi Suji. Nangkai Namba Station. Ito na yun guys. Takashimaya. So yan guys, we'll be ending this video here. And then next, I think we'll be going to Omeda naman. Let's see kung ano yung meron naman sa Omeda. Okay? Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next Japan vlogs. Bye! Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog. So in this vlog naman, i-explore natin yung Akihabara ng Osaka. Ito ang Denden Town. So now we're currently here sa Denden Town. So yeah, let's explore and see the difference between Akihabara and Denden Town. So guys, pahabaan yan, mga mga PC store. Yan. This is Denden Town guys. Yung mga cute na mga souvenir items, yung mga collectibles. Ayan, Gashapon. Ayan guys. Ayan siya guys. So, One Piece. Ang cute. Kilala niya yun. Diba? Marami ng crush. Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball Z. Dito guys actually kasi sa Akihabara. See, tignan mo to, 8,980 yan lang. Diba? Hindi ko sila lahat kilala, pero guys, alam ko sikat itong mga to. Mga madagta dyan na mga figurines. Meron pang pataas guys. Saan natin nakitin? Ultraman. Age of Heroes, The Amazing Heroes. Gashapon everywhere. Let's explore. Ito, animate. See? Joy City. Game title. Gashapon everywhere, guys. Appliances. Nasa mga electronics, guys. Dito yan sa Denden. Guys, mga collectible items, yung cellphone, MacBook, second hand. Pag nagutom, CCTVs, Crazy Theme Park, Boards Osaka. Let's cross this. May cafe din. Surugaya Specialty Store. Oh, diba guys? Lahat ng mga anime lover dyan. May Super Mario games. Tapos ito guys, yung nire-rent na na scooter. Pwede kang mag-scooter dito guys. Ikotin mo siya gamit ang scooter. Character shop. Pikachu cellphone guys. Cellphone accessories. Japan is the best among Osaka. Number 1 in Japan. DVDs, PlayStations, portable PSP, portable PlayStation. Oh guys, may Gashapon na micro SD. So, may Gashapon din na lightning cable. Diba? Halos lahat nasa Gashapon na guys. DVDs. Kainan. Tamashi, Japan's largest specialized store of skill model. Wow, maganda guys. Lalaki. guys, oh. Ganda, no? Mga Gundam. Ang cute. Ang gaganda, guys. Pwede mo ito. Ito guys yung store. Ang laki niya guys. Grabe. Tax free siya. Mandarake Grand Case. So dito guys, tax free shop. May Doraemon, may Ultraman, mga electronic devices, Intel Core. Ito guys, Yoshin, Dohomo, Y Mobile, Yahoo Mobile din. Sony. Ito pa siya guys. Ang dami. Okay guys, let's keep on walking. Let's go. May mga walkie-talkie guys. Mga electronic devices. Yan, mga cellphones, tablets, mas second hand. Mas mura dito guys. May construction, o diba? Lahat guys, meron. Electronic, mga second hand and brand new. Ng laptops, TVs. Meron din dito guys, Sharp. Joshi. PlayStation guys. Meron din. Meron din mga luggage. Meron din mga shoes. Mga kabataan kasi dito guys eh. Kaya ano talaga siya, mga cute na stores. Ano ba ang tawag sa kawaii na stores guys. Manrukin Kago. Ganda ng mga ano nila, furnitures. Gadgets, iPods, iPhones. Ano naman to guys? Parang ang sarap guys, oh. Lemauve. Tiramisu guys. Ayun, oh. Nakaano lang siya guys. Ano ang tawag dyan? Basta yan. Nakaganyan. Isipin ulit natin guys kung anong tawag doon. Vending machine. Vendo. Ilabas sila ng ginto. Ayun siya guys. Bento. Bendo machine. Ayan o, mga ano. Computer parts. Nakainan din. Ang dami guys. Ang dami niyang pwedeng pagpilian. Para talaga siyang tawag dito. Akihabara ng Osaka. Pero mas ano dun, no? Mas may Coco Curry House. Coco Ichiban niya guys. Meron dito. Coco Ichiban niya. Pero mas ma-colorful. Mas maraming kawaii sa Tokyo. Pero kung nandito ko sa Osaka, ito na, ang Akihabara nila. And then Town. Diba? Mga DVDs. Sale. Sale na ang DVD nila guys. Luxury shop, brand store. Kung kulang pa rin ang pasalubong mo guys. Print shop. Kanpuri. May Sukiya din guys. Sukiya guys. Kitchen Origin. Wow, parang sarap po. Mga take out. Onigiri guys. Lawson Store 100. Is this the 100 store of Lawson? Not sure. Yeah guys, I think we've reached the end of the other side. Kasi ito na yung Appa Hotel Namba Minami Ebisu Choeki. And this one is Apartment Hotel 11. Yeah guys, I think we've reached the end. So now, we will go to Namba Parks naman. Let's explore Namba Center. Let's go to check the Namba Parks guys para makita natin kung ano na ba yung status ng Namba Parks ngayong December 2023, di ba? Let's see guys. Guys, we're here at Namba City. Or Namba Parks. So, ito guys, explore natin ang Namba Parks. Meron pa dito guys, Toys R Us. So, Babies R Us. Ayan. So, this is Namba City, Namba Parks. Yebisu Bar. Takashimaya Good Spoon, all-day brunch and dinner. Craft cheese and roast meat. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Here guys. Namba Parks. See? Let's go. Let's explore Namba Parks. Let's go guys. So a brief history muna tayo ng Namba Parks. So, Namba Parks opened in October 2003 at the former site of Osaka Baseball Park. This enormous complex facility, Namba Parks, added their new Tate Terrace in April 2007. Further expanding its selection of workshops, another new addition is the Cinema Complex, the largest in Osaka City. Wow! And various shops and restaurants that are opened their first branches in Kansai region, turning this complex into a must-see spot of Minami District. Furthermore, the Park Gardens, a rooftop garden featuring a small river, is home to 500 species of 10,000 plants and trees, making this shopping mall an oasis in the city for visitors to come and enjoy its features. So, ito na yun, guys. Ay, ang ganda, guys. Park Garden Renewal Open. May pa-water effect pa sila, guys. Park Cinema. The Starbucks, guys. T-Terrace, yan yun. So yeah, let's explore this big shopping mall here in Namba, Osaka. Let's see cinema nila. Kumadaanan natin. So, sana manood ng cinema sa cinema, guys. Kaso, Japanese yan eh. Anong tawag dito? Dub. Ito Japan. Nihongo. Ito, guys. May kura din dito, guys. May Kura Sushi. Vivian Westwood. Yeah, let's go to the rooftop. Kung nasaan yung park nila. May Paul Smith din pala dito, guys. Hiwaka. May Lacoste din. Mille Fiori, Milan. Tigre Brocante. Rocks. So you are here. Dito daw tayo. Pupunta tayo dun sa Parks Garden. Let's go. Show repair shop, guys. Taas na natin, guys. Feeling ko yan na yung park, guys. Ayun. Kumakainan din, guys. Ayan. Sumo. Tonic. Guys, oh. Sa rooftop na tayo, guys. Uy. Puro kabataan. Roots. Mga naglalaro sila, guys. Ang dami pa, guys. Ang tahimik. Step garden. Ayun siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito, guys. Swisotel Nankai. Ayun, guys. Swisotel Nankai. Ay, ang ganda, guys. Oh. Rooftop barbecue is closed. Ay, ang ganda nito, guys. Paggabi, umiilaw yan. Ito, ang ganda nito paggabi, guys. Ayan. See? Ganda, no? Photo spot in. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan, dito tayo. Ayan, guys. Oh, meron pa. Autumn leaves. Tapos ito yun, guys. Ganda, no? Oh. Ang ganda dito, guys. Cute. Ganda guys, oh. Let's check what's in there. Waku-paku. Ang laki ng puno guys. Ang ganda, oh. Ganda guys. No? Look. So pretty. Medyo mo nasa taas ka ng mall, no? Mas ganda siya ka ganda. Ay, ganda din ito kapag umiilan ng gabi. Ventura din guys. Playground. Nasaan ito? Ay, parang maganda din ito pag gabi guys. Yung mga ilaw. Ayan siya guys. Ganda dito guys. Meron din sa namin. Bendo. Ilabas ang mga binto. Oh, ayun siya guys. So lovely, so pretty. So nice here. So ayun siya. 500 species. Ganda guys, no? Guys, So, I think we've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Ang ganda ng Benden Town. So, yun yung Akihabara ng Osaka. And also this Namba Parks, which is Namba City na mall. So, yeah. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong video nito. And also, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!